If your comforter is labeled dry clean only, but you don't want to spend money on professional dry cleaning, there are a few options for home dry cleaning. You can purchase a home dry cleaning kit that includes specially designed cloths and a bag. However, these kits are only suitable for freshening fabrics and not for heavily soiled comforters. For stains, you will need to treat them separately before dry cleaning. Simply put the comforter in the bag, add a dry cleaning cloth, and place it in the dryer on medium heat for 30 minutes. Afterward, hang the comforter to air dry. Remember to dispose of the used cloths and store the reusable bag. Alternatively, you can create your own dry cleaning solution using warm water, borax, oxygen, bleach, and essential oils. Steam cleaning is also an option for freshening the fabric. Lastly, if your comforter is heavily soiled, it is best to take it to a professional dry cleaner or wash it in the washing machine using cold water and low heat.